So today we are at the Fashion District and we just got the new arrivals for the Hyfve Fashion Style Weekly Update. So we're gonna take a look at it. I'm so excited, let's go! We're here at the Hyfve showroom and we're gonna be unwrapping these new arrivals. Thomas, can you help me unwrap?
Sure.
Yeah. I heard there were some good basics in here, so I'm really excited to see that. Ooh, so many. Whoa, that yellow. Oh, another neon one. I can't wait to show you guys all the details, so let's get into it. Here we have 17 styles, and as always, we're gonna start with the Hyfve line first. So first we have the V-neck crop top long sleeve. At first touch, it feels really high quality. Not too thin, not too thick. Feels really nice. This comes in 5 colors. So we have black, white, dark blue, pecan, brown, and mauve. These 3 are probably my fave. So cute. So next style, we have the off-shoulder knit sweater. I like how you can still show a little bit of skin, but you can wear it in the winter. So these come in 5 colors. We have the black, the camel, a dark pink, and heather gray. I feel like you could wear these as pajamas as well. If you go to like a cabin, these are really cute sweaters. They're just so fluffy. You could pair these with sweats and I think it would look really cute. What do you guys think of these new styles?
I love this kind. This one is like very trendy right now. You know, you can play with the off-shoulder. The bell sleeves, I think it's really cool. Not the usual off-shoulder type of
Yeah, that's what I think
sweater.
too. We also have the knit sweater
Very
as well.
Also, since there's a lot of crop going on, not the long sweaters as usual. So I think they're very nice actually.
Yeah.
Here in the top of fabric that have
Yep.
very different. It's a unique couple.
It's really comfy for winter.
Yeah,
fall.
and then what I like about V-necks, like deep V-necks especially, you can always play with an off-the-shoulder.
Oh!
Make it a little more sexy.
Oh! I think this is really cute because you can do an off-the-shoulder kind of moment, and it comes in all these different colors, very pastel, bright. You could also use this as pajamas in the winter. You could put a crop top. Really cute, you guys. I think I like this cream one. Oh, what? I think these are the same fabric. Oh, you know what, guys? We're gonna go check out and see which one is a favorite with the same. Hi! Which one do you think is better, or which one do you prefer?
As a designer, I love this because it's really simple. However, if I really wanted something to pop, I would most definitely go with this one.
That's
Very
really
unique
cute.
sleeve.
The customer said they really like this top, especially for the sleeve because it's so unique. It's that cute ruffle look with a crop top and it feels so soft. It comes in 5 colors. We have the black, taupe, pink. This is really cute. And then we also have a gray. So I think this is a good basic to have. So these were the same fabric. I think this is a really cute pajama top because it's so flowy and breezy. And what's unique about this top is actually the boxy look and also this ruffle cuff. I think these are, whoa, look at these sleeves. It's a lot of room. Sort of like a balloon sleeve, but more ruffle. This top comes in 4 colors. We have taupe, gray, black, and dark brown. And so for the last line for Hyfve, we have these 2 midi dresses. I really like, oh, it's see-through here. So you can show a little bit of your arms, but still modest. It comes in 3 colors, black, dark rose, and dark teal. For this other dress, this is also a midi dress. This is the one that is the 3 tiers. So you have 1, 2, 3 tiers. And this is a collared dress as well. I think this is perfect for fall because it's not very thick. It's very breezy. Comes in 4 colors, black, gray, mauve, and olive. So we have these 2 midi dresses. Let's go see what people prefer. Hey Thomas, so we have these 2 midi dresses. Which one do you prefer?
I prefer the other one because it's more stretchy.
Have you seen Stranger Things?
Yes,
Does it remind you of the
it's the
Stranger
same.
Things like dress? Something that 11 might wear when she's older or something?
Yeah.
So now we're moving on to the 00 styles. Up first we have the rib knit skirt. This also comes in many different colors. Really stretchy. Feels good quality. I really like how you can pair this with anything. You can pair it with one of our knit tops as well. I think that's really cute. I think one of our customers really like this look as well. So we have a lot of colors for the mini skirt. We're gonna go find out and see what colors people like. Hi, quick question. So we just got these new styles and we have them all on all these different colors. What do you guys think of the colors?
What if I tell you I'm not ready for fall yet? But
Oh.
all the colors, all
Oh,
the
yes.
colors are great. Well, the olive is always olive, black, the pink, the peachy color.
The black and the peach.
But see, I have a more mature customer. They like this color.
What I love is your quality of your fabric is amazing. So the quality, I would get all of them because someone, just because I don't like burgundy doesn't mean
There you
someone
go.
else doesn't like it. You know what I mean? So.
Okay. And so we also have the long version of this. It's a pencil skirt, really cute. So we have the short and the long. This long skirt comes with a little slit on the side for your ankle. Really sexy, really cute. This short one is good for fall. This one you can pair for winter. This one also comes in all the different colors. We have red, dark blue, and olive green. Powerpuff Girl colors. But we also have this in black, brown sugar, burgundy, olive, slate blue, and whipped cream. So up next we have the mock neck sleeve top. This top is good for winter because it's not too thin, but it's thick enough that it can withstand like cold weather. If it's windy, I think this looks really cute with a long skirt and a belt. This is a burnt orange. About 10 colors for this one top. So we have them all here. This one's really standing out though. It really stands out. Like I wouldn't imagine this color on this type of shirt. So this is pretty unique, I think. I think it's a really nice rib detail. Very thin. It feels really nice and soft. It's comfy and stretchy as well. So you can really accentuate the curves with this one. So next up for 00, we have this beautiful cable knit sweater with a balloon sleeve. This is so cute, you guys. I really like the color. I'm a sucker for pastel colors, so this is cute for either winter or spring. You could wear something underneath, maybe like a crop top. Also, the cable knit comes in many different variations of the knit style. So I believe this one is more of like a crisscrossy cable knit. So even though it looks very heavy, it's actually pretty light. So I think it's a good transitional wear like into fall as well. Maybe not this color, but something a little darker for fall. There's about 8 colors for this style. So we have black, honey mustard, lilac fog, olive, orange red, pale pink, smoke blue, and whipped cream. There's so many looks you could pull off with this one cable knit sweater. You could go soft, or you could go a little more edgy with this dark green, pair it up with black pants or black jeans. I think it would look really cute. Up next for 00, we have another sweater. This is the V-neck raglan loose sweater. Very loose. You could wear this for spring as well, I believe. It's just very flowy, and you could pair it with a crop top underneath. It's a little bit see-through. I really like how this is also V-neck. I like all the V-necks in this, so you could do an off-the-shoulder kind of moment. And on the bottom, we have a little high-low moment going on. So a little bit high at the top and then low on the bottom. We also have a little slit on the side as well. This also comes in many different colors, going from earth tones to pastel tones. Like, we have all the colors. This one even comes in lime yellow as well. So we have all these different colors. Let's ask Eric what color he prefers. So let's go. Hi, Eric.
I think so far all the earthy tones, because that's what's trending for fall. So I would definitely go with the brown, the camel, the honey mustard. Olive is good all the time. 00, you know, we always try to come up with new ideas, new styles. So I think we're just trying to incorporate all the trendy stuff to all their styles. So it looks new.
So last but not least, we have these two sweaters from 00. These are the animal print. I believe these ones are really popular right now. These remind me of like 90s, maybe 80s fashion with the animal print. That's coming back. I really like how there's like hints of lime yellow. So if you wear this like in a club, you would definitely stand out. That's like a snazzy sweater. Let's ask the customer which style they like the best. Let's go.
I think I probably like this one.
This one?
This one isn't bad. It's cute.
It is cute too.
Yeah, I like it. Trends kind of come back around. So yeah.
Right, yeah. All right, so that's it for 00. Let's go ahead and go to FIESTAR. Okay guys, so last but not least, we have the FIESTAR line. So we have all these new 4 styles of dresses. Hi!
How are you?
Good, how are you?
Very good, thank you.
Okay, so we have these 4 dresses here. Let's start with the first style, a halter top
Like
kind
a
of
halter,
dress.
Yeah, definitely a halter,
Yeah.
cow neck dress.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, pretty easy to wear.
Mhm.
Very sexy for a night out with the girls, you know.
Yeah, I really like this stretchy, like
Stretchy material?
Cool, yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and it's cool as well. So you could wear this.
It hooks
yeah.
the body nicely. So I
Yeah.
think this is one of my favorites.
Yeah,
as
it's
of right
really
now.
cute. I
Yeah.
like this neck detail here too, a little choker moment
Like a little choker.
and a little like backless
Yeah.
moment as well. So
I think the length on this is also perfect.
yeah.
Like it's not too long, not too short. It's the perfect length.
Yeah, we have 4 colors. We have black, mauve, red, and blue. America colors right there. Which one's your favorite color?
I like the mauve one.
This is
Yeah.
cute. So for the next style, we have this 2-piece. We have a crop and a long skirt. What do you think?
This is more for me of a dinner night out type of
Mm-hmm.
outfit. The length on the skirt is also pretty nice. I love the slit.
Yeah.
Pretty sexy little detail right there. The crop detail on the top. I also love the fact that this is kind of a higher waistline type of skirt, and then you know you have that crop right there. These 2 colors are pretty trendy right now.
Yeah. Very colorful.
Pastelly. You can always mix and match perhaps with anything else. Maybe
Yeah.
this you could wear with a denim short, a
Yeah.
denim, a jeans,
Mm-hmm.
maybe a different kind of skirt. You know,
Yeah.
make it a different outfit.
So we have this in cream, navy blue, midnight blue, lavender, mauve, and also this light
Dusty blue.
dusty blue.
It's just very, very pretty blue.
It is
also.
so
Yeah.
cute, like a Cinderella kind of modern dress,
It's a very,
right?
very blue, yeah. Let's do this one. One shoulder type of dress.
Mm-hmm, with this cutout right
The
here.
little cutout detail.
Mm-hmm. Also love the stretchy
Pretty sexy.
material,
Yeah.
really comfortable. These cutouts make it really unique, I think. Okay, so can I ask you, do you prefer zip ups or the hooks? Like what?
Zipper.
Zipper.
I prefer zipper. I think it's a lot easier just to, you know, zip it
Right.
up.
We also have it in
Blue.
blue, black, and
I
red.
love the
Ooh. This is like definitely like a prom moment or like a wedding, like
I wouldn't say
like
more of a wedding.
Yeah, like a bridesmaid.
Kind of
crop.
like a high-low. Like
High-low.
an asymmetrical high-low type of dress.
Modest, but then it can be sexy when you
Yes.
pop out that leg.
Depending on the angle.
I really like that you can also put like a bow in the back as well.
Yeah.
Really
And
cute.
then this body, it only comes in 2 colors, the
Yeah.
black and the mauve.
Yeah, dark mauve.
This is really cute with denim. You can throw this on with anything. Jeans, leggings, short. Okay, love this. So the short's thinner, more lightweight. I love this like slate gray. Like I would wear this with like a crop tank. These are so soft. Oh, and you can pair it together. I love that. This is navy. I like the dark colors. You like the colors?
Oh, I like all of them. I like that one too. All right, guys, so that's it for us today. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you on the next Hyfve Style Weekly Update. Bye!
See you next week.